What's up, guys? It's Adam Diggity Della here with another pin review for Truphae. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of my personal favorite pins, the Visconti Homo Sapiens. A real grail pin for a lot of us fountain pen collectors out there. The Visconti Homo Sapiens are almost a decade old now, and they've released a new series that I think are gorgeous. I love the Homo Sapiens form factor, but to be able to get it with such nice vibrant resins that are all hand polished in Italy, I mean, it's awesome. These pins are beautiful. This line is inspired by 3 different precious gemstones. So we have the emerald. This is the Visconti Homo Sapiens Demo Stone in emerald. A nice, beautiful demonstrator pin. It has a gold nib. It has the hook lock system, which I love for just an easy turn to get the cap off. Very secure. And as you can see, it actually has green agate on the tip there. We got green agate. And we have a nice kind of lacquer finish over the Visconti here, which I really like. The lacquer is really nice and kind of gives it a gloss look here instead of the kind of laser etched look that the normal Visconti clip has, obviously. Beautifully wonderful clip here, perfect for putting it on a suit jacket or anything nice quality. You don't have to worry about it ripping into your cloth. Next we have the Sapphire, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous deep blue here. Again, a demonstrator. The power filling system. So as you can see here, it's a power filler, just like the Homo Sapiens. Oof, that feels wonderful. Also a hook lock system. And this one has a blue agate on top. So these are semi-precious gemstones up here. Blue agate there. Next we have the ruby. So this one I think is my favorite. It is gorgeous, a deep red. And again, we have that lacquer finish on the clip here. The Visconti just pops. I love that it just says Homo Sapiens simply here in the sterling silver. And at the top here, we have the precious metal is carnelian. So this is a beautiful gemstone up top here. And I am really excited to ink this one up and start writing with it. And that is the 14 karat gold nib, so they do not use palladium anymore. But these guys are just gorgeous. They are a wonderful introduction to the Homo Sapiens line. They're super lightweight. I love that. They feel amazing. They have that beautiful form factor of the Homo Sapiens. And I really cannot wait to get one of these into my collection. That was the Visconti Homo Sapiens Demo Stone edition. We had the ruby, the sapphire, and the emerald. I hope you liked them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, a pinman salute to you!